Okay. Wake effect snowstorm is over. This is the last part, but it's only like a few minutes. But here's the bad news. We're under a winter storm watch. A whole state of Indiana is under it. A whole state of Indiana is under severe thunderstorm watch, and some part of one other stuff. What is the cause with a winter storm watch? A storm system will move on Tuesday morning. It is Tuesday morning. Begin with hyper area 4 to 6 inches, or possible with this storm by Thursday night. Alright, so we have more snow, but we're not gonna get wake effect. We're gonna get winter storm snow. Naked for traveling. We're supposed to get like another 6 inches, so that's gonna make us a one-part episode after this one. Right now, it's just all of this ice, which remix, snowing, possible. Talk about right here. So that's it. The first part supposed to be posted today. Second part is supposed to be posted tonight. The third part will be posted tomorrow. So I'm just gonna upload this video, the first part right now, and that's it. Stay tuned for more updates. Okay, oh, sorry.